it's Lauren. Welcome back. I want to point out that my nails look horrible, and they look horrible throughout the whole video, so welcome back. But this week is the first day of summer, so I'm using this kit from KPL Plans. I just thought it would be perfect to mark the start of summer. So these are the full boxes, the headers and little things, the full functional page with half boxes, and the checklist, a few more headers, and the bottom washi, which I absolutely love. So that is the kit we're going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the bottom washi, which of course I accidentally put the wrong washi down. It's just kind of that week, you know. And then I am going to put the box on the sidebar, which says I am in a summer state of mind. I struggle a little bit with the layout of this week. I stagger my little things today and to do. And for whatever reason, I have a hard time figuring out where to lay things down. So I'm putting the full boxes down first, just kind of dispersing them. I am putting the today headers on top of the full boxes. And now I'm going in and trying to figure out where to put all of my to-do headers and checklists. Again, staggering them, which is difficult for me for some reason. Lastly, I'm going to go in with my remaining little things headers to fill in the blank spots. And this is how everything looks laid out. Now I'm kind of deciding if I want to start on Monday or the sidebar, but I decided to go in on Monday and put down a little thing and cover the icon up with a coffee cup from Scribble Prints Co. and just mark that it was Coffee Monday. I then grab a half box and I grab a house icon sticker and write that I needed to pick up some curriculum. And I put this little thing here, but I also move it down to the today section to mark that I got Chick-fil-A this day, which was exciting. I then grab a computer from the functional page and write that I need to edit. And then I just fill out a few to-dos for Monday. Before I move on to Tuesday, I do just decide to go ahead and use half boxes and mark my videos for the week. So I put one on Wednesday. And I decided to use these bows from the Fox and Pip. These are in the Miranda colorway, and just use this blue little bow to mark the videos. So I also put one on Friday and Sunday and mark them again the same way with the bows. And just filling in the videos. I haven't really decided what I'm doing on Friday, but I guess you will see this week. So I leave that one blank. While I'm here, I do write in first day of summer because that's what this day was. As if it's not already hot enough in Louisiana. This is the first day of summer. And I just grabbed some balloons from the kit. We're doing the sidebar. This kit didn't come with a habit tracker, so I'm just using one from an extra sticker book that I have. And then I grab a work and the ombre weekly checklists that come in the kit and a goals. And then I finish out the bottom with a half box that matches the same print as the bottom washi. And I use exercise in my habit tracker with a little dumbbell. Now we are moving to Tuesday. So I use this little label sticker that comes with the kit, fill out some to-dos, grab an icon, because I did start to get sick this day, so that was awful. I grab another little planner icon and mark that I needed to do some planning this day. And then I grab a little thing and mark that I cooked myself soup because I was sick and I needed some soup. I do jump up to the to-do section and fill out a few more to-dos. And then moving to the little things section, I'm going to grab a flag from the kit and layer on the script wash clothes sticker. And I write underneath bedding because that's what I really needed to wash instead of clothes. Moving on to Wednesday, I just grabbed this random sticker from my sticker book and put the hump day script on there. Heading over to Thursday real quickly, I grab another one of these labels from the kit and a heart icon and marked that I needed to do some filming. I then grab another script sticker that says Friday and just pop this down on the full box on Friday. And sticking with this day, I just filled in a little to-do with a trash icon, and I put down the school header and a car icon to mark that I needed to drive to school this day. Now we're going to go back to Wednesday. Sorry, I jump around a lot this week. I'm just going to pop down a little thing on Tuesday. This is how the week looks thus far. And I just wanted to pop the weekend banner down. So it is a new day, and I wanted to point out that I added some deco, and I added some of this glitter pieces of washi that I'll probably go in at the end of the week and add as well. Back to Tuesday, I put in this little icon that I got from my sticker book, just a planner to mark that I needed to work on my Erin Condren. For Wednesday, I finished up some to-dos. I used this little arrow again from my sticker book, just to mark that I need to work on my descriptions, and then I drank a lot of green tea this day. So I then just kind of move on over to the sidebar, fill in what I can. Moving on to the second half of the week, I want to jump to Sunday real quickly. I put down a little things to put that I needed to film this voiceover. Back to Thursday, I grab a half box and write that I'm still sick because this was a really bad day. You see me mark being sick in a different way in a little bit, but to fill in that little piece spot, I used a little things, which I eventually put clean office on, but I wasn't really sure what to put here yet, but just filled up the space nicely. And I just lifted the icon so it was over that little thing. So here you can see I just grabbed a flag and write sick on it and put it in the corner of the full box on Wednesday. It's a new day, and now I'm moving on to Thursday. I fill in here clean office and a to-do that I needed to do laundry, of course, and the rest of my to-dos. I grabbed just a little camera icon, and then on Friday I write in the video, fill in some to-dos, pop down an icon or two, and then I use a little thing just to bring a little bit more interest to the spread and write that it is the end of Gemini season. So moving on to Saturday, I popped down this from Fox and Pip, just a green bow paperclip thing, and I write that it was a big cleaning day. I then grabbed the laundry icon to mark that I needed to do laundry on Saturday, and I also grabbed the grocery cart icon because I go and get groceries this day. I use a little thing to kind of fill in that blank space at the bottom of Saturday and write that I'm still sick, unfortunately. I grab another little thing and a present icon to mark that I needed to mail my little sister's birthday gift. And the only thing that I do next on Sunday is put down that sparkly piece of washi. And Delilah makes an appearance here in a minute. I then grab the date night script sticker because I do just kind of relax this day with my girlfriends. I fill in one more to do on Saturday and a to do on Sunday. Not much planned for the weekend thus far. Another appearance from Delilah. And I fill out the rest of the sidebar. I do pop down a little cleaning icon because Saturday is a big cleaning day, and on the second weekly ombre I pop down a doctor's stethoscope icon because I'm still sick. And then in the half box I just write that my baby sister's birthday is next week with an exclamation point icon because it is super important. And this is basically what my week looks like. This is what's left of the kit, so I just have very little. I'll probably use that glitter washi throughout the week. Just a few headers and a few flags and a few little things. So that's all that's left of this kit. I think I utilized it as much as I could. Delilah seems to like this kit a lot, so I hope everyone has a great summer. That's kind of the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!